Hi, I'm Coach Jen, and I wanted to share a little bit about my health and fitness journey and how it led me to become an online health and fitness coach with working with busy professionals age 35 and up who are looking to transform their health either through they're looking to achieve a weight loss goal of, you know, 10 plus pounds. They're looking to gain back mobility in their lives after loss of mobility, maybe due to an old injury. And maybe they're wanting to build their strength and build up their confidence and their belief in themselves. And that's what I do. I work with busy professionals who want to achieve amazing health goals, but have maybe been sitting on the fence about it and have a problem of not being accountable to themselves. And therefore, that's why a health coach can be the biggest piece of the puzzle that's been missing in their lives in their ability to achieve and sustain either their weight loss goal or whatever health goal that they're looking to achieve. Or maybe it's like an outcome of being able to fit into clothes that they previously fit into that they have been holding on to and dreaming of getting back into that, pant size or dress size. So if that's you, even if you've had bad health outcomes in the past, I know I've been there in my health and fitness journey over the last year and a half. I lost over 35 pounds. I've been gaining back my shoulder mobility through regular, consistent mobility work that doesn't take up too much of my day, and it doesn't take hours in the gym. That's what I teach and how I coach people is that you can fit fitness, health, and nutrition into your busy schedule, and you don't need to carve out 2 hours a day, 4 or 5 times plus a week to go to a gym. You can start with simple body weight exercise and minimal equipment, if any at all. So if you have been dealing with like back pain or shoulder pain due to, sitting at a desk for long hours because of your type of career where you're constantly, working online, working at a desk, and, you've been putting off taking care of yourself and putting yourself first, the time is now to reach out to me. I would love to hear what you are wanting to achieve, and I can help you do it. I have 30-day fitness and nutrition programs. I have an awesome 10-week health transformation offer for busy professionals who are looking to get started. On July 1st, I'm offering an amazing up to 50% off my programs just for Canada Day only. So if you would like to learn more, reach out to me now and we can do this together. You will achieve what you're looking to achieve, but it's more about the journey and not the end result. Once you start having small wins, consistent wins daily, then those small wins will add up to that big result that you're looking to achieve. All right, talk to you soon again. Have a great one.